Stop juggling multiple Illustrator windows and learn how to open new tabs to streamline your design process. First, the most straightforward way, head up to the File menu in the top left corner of your screen and click on New. This will bring up the New Document window. Here, you can choose a preset based on your project's needs, like print for brochures, web for website graphics, or mobile for app designs. You can also customize the document size and settings if you prefer. Let's pick a standard A4 print document for this example and hit Create. And there you have it, a brand new tab ready for your next design. Now, let's look at a faster way. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl on Windows or CMD on a Mac. This instantly brings up the New Document window, saving you a click again. Select your preset and hit Create. Super speedy, right? And finally, if you already have a document open, you can quickly duplicate it into a new tab. Go to the Window menu at the top, navigate down to Arrange, and select New Window. This opens an exact copy of your current document in a brand new tab. So, there you have it, 3 easy ways to open new tabs in Adobe Illustrator, keeping your projects organized and your workflow efficient. Now go create something amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Illustrator tips.